Hi there, I am BangShift Billy, and let's go through this Omron switch. We're selling a ton of these things, and I get a lot of questions on how they're wired. So we've got 4 wires coming out of it, and I have a schematic right behind me that we're going to go through. This switch has an adjustable arm. You can take this off and move it on a spline shaft, and it's a position switch. Super accurate. Highly recommended for the clutch pedal switch to activate 2 steps, to activate our digital clutch controller, lots of different things. This is the Omron D4C-1620 switch. Here's how it works. On the 4 wires, you've got the black coming in, and it is normally closed to red. So when you connect those two, they're always going to be active until you push the switch, and then they open. And when you push the switch, this is actually the white wire, and when it's pushed, it goes to normally, this is normally open, so when you push the switch, this one connects just like that. Now there's a yellow wire with a green stripe on it. That one only grounds the case of the switch. You don't need to use it. So for the wiring of our digital clutch controller, the way you need to do that is run 12 volts to the black. Let me write that down. You're going to put 12 volts to the black, okay? And what you want is to provide 12 volts when the clutch pedal is down. So that means that you're going to wire the blue wire on the clutch controller to the white wire. So that's the blue, which is the trigger wire. All right, so when you push the clutch pedal down, it will provide 12 volts to the blue wire or the white wire on the switch. And as soon as you release the clutch, it will release the 12 volts, which will then activate the clutch controller. Hopefully that makes sense. Additionally, to this schematic, if you look right on the switch, it shows that same schematic. It'll focus there. So it's got the black going to red, which is normally closed, and then to white, it's normally open, and over on the side over here, it shows yellow with green stripe grounding to the case. Hopefully that helps.